We get a lot of requests for changes to Exchange or email forwarding, and we have a client that likes to call with the request where I want it to forward to this user, except in this case, and then have an out of office user, and I want that to turn off in 4 days, and then I want send as access for these 9 people, and it just takes forever. And we'd also run into the case where for clients that have Azure AD Sync, our level 1 techs would take an hour and a half for basic Exchange tasks because they couldn't figure out how to get the sync to run. They wouldn't wait long enough, and it just sucked up a ton of time. So I used one of the other things that I had one of the other crates that had the rock build for me, which was adding links to forms into tickets. So at least now in our manage, when you make a request with a subtype of email, right, you get a link to a form that shows up in the ticket notes, and then we get a form, and we can go through, we pick our user, and some of the fields on this form need to come out because I've shamelessly copied this from the user offboarding workflow. But we've got almost any Exchange requests that we've ever gotten in here, from forwarding the mail to making it a shared mailbox to set the out of office. I think remove the out of office I added. It's been long enough, I can't remember what I borrowed and what I created. But it was basically just copying and pasting workflow items and finding things like the set out of office had auto replies state enabled. So, hey, we could copy that and just go figure out what the PowerShell is. Oh, it's disabled instead of enabled. Now I could disable out of office for people. So no more trying to teach level 1 techs how to use PowerShell or going to automate and figure out which server Azure AD Connect is on. It all happens by magic. And even I think this one was there, but maybe not enabled on the form to begin with. So anyway, that's the quick demo. Not super exciting, but we've used it a ton and it saves a ton of hours.